The devastation from the Texas deadly floods continues to grow tonight. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brennan Gurley. Today marks 5 days since the waters tore through central Texas and the death toll continues to rise. Today's search and rescue teams are looking for any signs of hope as they work their way along the Guadalupe River. At least 109 people are dead due to the flooding across central Texas. 94 of those are in Kerr County. Tonight, the governor says at least 161 people are still missing tonight. Chris Ensberry, search and rescue team, has been assisting in the recovery of 17 bodies. He keeps the families in mind while digging through mountains of debris along the river.
I've had a lot of people come up to me that have lost their children and their loved ones and thanked me, and it's hard to even hear that because they have closure, but we haven't pulled anybody out alive yet, and that's tough.
This is one of the deadliest natural disasters in Texas history, and it now exceeds the toll from Hurricane Harvey in 2017. Political leaders across the state and the nation have been in and out of Kerrville